be showcasing Bobbi Brown foundation, okay? For the first time on my channel, this will be the first time me ever using this product here. And this product is Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation, broad spectrum of SPF 15, full coverage, oil-free shine control. Now, if you guys know, I love mattifying foundations, and what's bomb about this foundation that I think already, it's full coverage, and it says that it is oil-free and it's shine control, which means that it's very mattifying, okay? Which means that it could be mattifying, okay? Now, however, it doesn't say mattifying, but it does say long weightless foundation, okay? So this is the way the box look, all right? And I got this from Sephora, and I think it retails $47, okay, with tax. So I'm definitely gonna try this out today, and I'm very excited. So right now I'm gonna just open this up, and the bottle looks like this, very very nice and foggy, okay? So right now what I'm going to do is turn my light on here, and then I'm gonna of course take my glasses off so we can go ahead and get in the process. Now ladies, if you're new to my channel, I'm Naturally Me Dion, and on this channel here you can find hair videos, natural hair videos, you can find skincare videos, also makeup videos. I love to do reviews on a lot of things, and if you guys want to see a review on something, don't hesitate, just comment down below and I will be glad to do it. I love it when you guys communicate with me. I love talking with you guys, so it really brightens me up when you guys comment. So please do not be a stranger. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this video. Now I am also going to be using some products that I recently got because I really want to try them. I think last week I got the Too Faced Cool Matte, what is this, primer. Okay, and this primer is with sweet fig milk, okay? And I want to see what this Too Faced primer is like. You know what, you can never go without enough primer for your face. You can never go with enough, like, you always gonna need primer, okay? No matter what. So when I go buy stuff, I like to get stuff that I actually need a lot of time versus what I want to try out. I like to get what I need. And I'm also gonna be using the mattifying spray, setting spray, which is the same as the primer. So yeah, and that looks like this, and it says shake me baby, shake me. I think this is so freaking cute. Do you guys think this is cute? Too Faced just do cute things, and I'm very, oh, it makes noise. Do the other one make noise? No, it just shake. This one here is, which one would you guys buy? This one here draws my attention so much. It makes noise. It makes noise. Okay, anyway. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer. Ooh, and this primer here is like a pump. That's pretty dope. I like that. I've never had a primer with a pump. Oh, and it's pink. Do you see it comes out pink? That is bomb in itself. All right, so I'm just gonna use this on my trouble areas that really gets the shine, okay, which is the nose area, the forehead, in this area. I'm gonna probably get a little bit more. I'm just gonna rub that in like so. Gonna get a little bit more. Okay, and I'm gonna put it here. I like to hit my brows too, because sometimes they can collect some kind of oil sometime during the day. I'm just gonna rub this in my skin. Just gonna hit them a few times. Gonna kind of shape them up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do right now while I'm shaping up my brows a tad bit, I'm just gonna go in with the shaper and kind of just shape my brows up, get some of this excess hair off my brows. All right, I just hit it just like that. I don't know if you guys see me because I am using natural light right now, so it looks like you guys can see me. Therefore, I know you guys can see me, okay? So, what I'm gonna do now, gonna just take this brow blade here, kind of ink the hair a little bit. I like the way this is so dark and how it really make my brows look amazing. Okay guys, now that we got that accomplished, finished up the brows, now what I'm gonna do is just take this beauty blender and just tap right at the top here, just to make sure that this is fully blended out. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this, but this is just something that I do just to make sure, because most of the time, just because I don't think I'm gonna put on any eyeshadow today, but I do got an amazing review on a palette that I want to use tomorrow. Not today. I think today I'm going to do more a natural look. Definitely going to hit above these brows. You know, the weather keeps changing and changing out here, so you kind of just got to go with what you know. You got to go with the flow. Now, some people like to put the primer over the powder, but since I already put my primer on, I have no need to do that. So, now what I'm going to do is actually take this, use my MAC brush, and I'm going to just kind of pour it, just put it on here like so. Oh, this is a great, it squirts out. So I have this amount on the brush, okay, and now I'm gonna just tap it in, put little spots in there. Oh, it smells nice. I'm noticing that it is drying up pretty quick. Very quick. Very quick, and it's giving me like a radiance, but like I'm hoping it evens me out, because I do know that, you know, foundation is very dark, but let's see. I'm gonna buff it on into my skin. Definitely gonna hit up here in the brow area too, just go in a tapping motion like so. I'm gonna start buffing this because I can tell that this foundation drying very fast. It's very dark. When it goes on my skin, it's very dark. Very dark. But I did match it to my arm here. Really dry. Like, this foundation dries quick. Okay, it's like my Morphe. So I'm gonna just put this foundation here is more so like Morphe to me. Is that weird? Bobbi Brown is like Morphe. What was you thinking, Morphe? Like, is that why I like you? Because it dries so quick. My thing is, I just want it dries so quick. I want to make sure it's blended in. Now, when I'm gonna go into, I'm done with this foundation. I'm definitely gonna go into my Tarte concealer, and I'm gonna just kind of go just like this. I'm kind of gonna do a really glam radiant look today. Kind of do this just to give it a little bit of, change the color a little bit, because I'm already deep into the face. So now I just need to lighten it up a little bit. So I'm gonna use the same brush that I went in with the foundation, and I'm definitely gonna go in and just kind of blend this concealer out with it. I'm gonna take this over the eye as well. I'm just gonna make sure everything is really blended in to the T, because it's so mattifying. I'm definitely gonna go above this eye too. Go ahead and set above that eye. And I'm gonna kind of let this sit just a tad bit, not long. Gonna go ahead and move real fast and kind of get underneath this eye. Thing that I like, and I don't know if the primer did that, but I'm thinking it's the primer that has me so mattifying, like tight. It got my skin so tight to the point where the underneath the crease of my eye, where I don't get enough sleep, is freaking tight. And I have never seen that before a day in my life. So I am going, I have to figure out what is doing that. Is it that primer or that foundation? But I promise you, I really think it's the Too Faced primer. I really do believe that that is playing a part in the way I'm looking right now. Give my face a little bit more shape, even though it has a lot of shape. But I would definitely want to make sure it's shaped out. You guys, comment down below and tell me what you guys think about live streaming on YouTube, because I'm thinking about making that, just going live one day. I don't know when. So just kind of tell me what you guys think about that, because I have a few people telling me to go live streaming on YouTube. And it's filthy mouth of mine. Anyway, it's only filthy when you make me filthy. So anyway, let's go in. I'm gonna take this beauty blender. Oh, look at this light. The light is hitting me now, girl. I hope I ain't looking like no little pumpkin. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Just gonna hit this into my skin. I hate to see that cast right here on your nose whenever you're doing your foundation. I freaking hate that, but sometimes you can't get rid of it. But I hate it. I think that is so horrible. I'm definitely gonna grab what is close to me. So I'm gonna go into my what is Revolution, and this is Fierce as Fire. We're gonna dive into the, so yeah, my camera died, but we got it back on track. So just gonna, I'm looking for my lip liner. So I'm gonna grab this lip liner here. I think it might need to be a little bit darker, and it definitely gonna rock like this, okay? So now I'm gonna go into my highlights. And I'm gonna use my favorite brush to do my highlights. And I'm gonna probably dive into this color because I really love this color. Just gonna kind of put it here. Can you see it? Because I can't see it yet. There it is. She's coming. I'm just gonna take it. That I can shorten this video up a tad bit because I don't want it to be too long. But this is the finished look and I really do like it. Look, I love the way this foundation looks on me. Very radiant and natural looking, you know. Gave me a natural glow. I gave myself a natural glow, but I really do like this foundation. And I'm very much so loving the fact there's a lot of it. Okay, it's a lot of it. So my first time using BOBBI Brown foundation. I think it looks so flawless on me. I really do like it. I need to figure out though what made everything so mattifying. I'm starting to think that this Too Faced here mattifying primer did it. Okay, I really do. If it did do that, I really appreciate a product that actually make everything matte. Okay, because I love for everything to be mattifying whenever I'm, you know, with foundation. I like to be matte. I don't like to be sheer. No particular reason, I just like the look. I like to stay fresh. And if you guys know that if you're mattified, then that means that you're fresh. You know, your look is always fresh. And it's like you haven't worked all day, you know what I'm saying? Some foundations, you know, you put on and it looks like you've been in it for 2 days, you know, because you're wet, you're sweaty. So I really would appreciate to find out, is it the foundation that made it so mattifying, or was it the primer? The primer played a part, but that foundation do dry quickly, okay? So I think that it doesn't matter how mattifying the primer is, that foundation dries pretty quick, and my face is dry. I had to put moisture into it because it was like, couldn't move it because it was so dry. I like that feeling though. Like, it seemed weird, but I really do like that feeling. So guys, without further more, do comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. All the products that I use, even my color shade in BOBBI Brown, will be in the description box. So I would appreciate it if you guys don't be a stranger. So be sure to comment below and let me know what you guys think about this look, this video, and I will be happy to comment back and also bring more videos like this to you guys. By you giving me a big thumbs up, you support my channel, letting YouTube know that I'm doing my part, welcoming you in and bringing you guys to the front, okay? I hope you guys have a great evening. Be sure to stay safe, okay? Remember, we're in this together. God love you. I love you. My Father love you more. Till we meet again, I see y'all later. I hope you guys enjoy this look. More videos are coming your way. I do have a palette review that is coming up, so be sure to keep your eyes open for that. Happy Friday, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. She feeling herself. She feeling like a news reporter right now. Like I am a news reporter. Like right now. Like right now. Like right now. I'm a news reporter.